nonviolent resistance. Every Wednesday, a growing number of Tibetans are making a special effort to wear traditional clothes, speak Tibetan, eat in Tibetan restaurants, and buy Tibetan-owned businesses. They channel their spirit of resistance in social, cultural, and economic activities that are self-constructive, promoting Tibetan language, culture, and identity, and non-cooperative, refusing to support Chinese institutions and businesses. The Tibetan word Lakar translates literally as White Wednesday, as Wednesday is considered special by Tibetans because it is the Dalai Lama's soul day. In recent years, since 2008, Tibetans in Tibet and in exile have taken diverse Lakar pledges, resolving to boycott made-in-China products or to go to vegetarian every Wednesday, to speak pure Tibetan, or to read a Tibetan newspaper once a week, or to wear chupa every Wednesday. Through these pledges and actions, Tibetans are coming together in the greatest non-cooperation movement Tibet has ever seen. Thank you for coming to Lakar, and now we will start our presentations. So if anyone wants to perform or tell a story, please see me and talk to me.